Phase 1, the snatch. For developing the snatch, we're going to use the bar at the crease of the hip. We're going to do a series of exercises to develop you into learning the snatch. The first one, RDL, into a snatch pull. So our hands are nice and wide. We're past the snatch rings. We RDL, and then we pull the bar and shrug. Okay, the second exercise is a muscle snatch. Crease of the hip, hips through, above the head. Crease of the hip, hips through, bar above the head. Last one on the muscle snatch, up, over the head. The next exercise is the overhead squat. So we set our shoulder blades nice and tight. We pull on the bar. The bar is over the crown of our head. Our feet are shoulder width apart, and we lower, pushing the knees out, pushing the knees up. Hands nice and strong wrists. Break at the knees and hips, sit back and stand up. Keeping the bar above the crown of the head, lowering, standing up. And one more time, pushing the knees out as we lower, keep them out as we raise. Okay, and the last developmental exercise is called the snatch balance. We stand with the bar behind the neck, feet shoulder width apart. The first part of the snatch balance is we dip, we drive up over the head, and we will go in to an overhead squat. We stand up, now bring the feet back in again, explode up into a quarter squat, overhead squat, stand up. So this is the snatch balance. One more time. Explode up, squat, and up. So this developmental stage is all done at the crease of the hip and with just a bar only to learn correct technique.